Today we're taking a look at the after sale coupons from Harbor Freight, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, this is kind of a disappointing Harbor Freight coupon sale that we got going on right now. All this is the Christmas sale extended. That's all they did with this. It's the exact same stuff. But if you missed the stuff in the first one, let's go over what it is. Let's go ahead and check it out. First thing we got here is a Pittsburgh tool set with case. This is 130 piece. You're looking at $32.99 and you're saving 5% on that. That one is not that great of a deal at only 5%. But hey, it does have lifetime replacement tools in it. Next we have a Quinn 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive, ASE and metric, high vis socket set, 66 piece, $49.99, saving $23.99. That'd be a nice little set to have. That'd be something to keep in your car, or if you need it for regular tools, that would be a nice pickup right there for a pretty good price. Then we got Hallmaster 3,300 pound capacity 2 inch by 27 foot ratcheting tie down straps, $11.99, looking at $33.99. Next we got a Bauer 8.5 amp 1/2 inch impact wrench with a rocker switch. This one is $59.99, saving 20%. This would be a great option for you guys that are working in your garage and you don't have an air compressor and you don't have any cordless tools. This one is a good pickup for you for if you're in that situation. Next up we got a Thunderbolt Solar 10 watt solar trickle charger. This one is $34.99, saving 22%. Then we move over to a Fortress 2 gallon, 135 PSI ultra quiet oil free hand carry job site air compressor. This is going to be $169.99, saving $20 on that. As I said before, these smaller air compressors to me are going to be the wave of the future because everybody going to cordless stuff. There's not going to be a need for the big old honking air compressors anymore, so that's a good deal. Next up we got a Bauer 20 volt brushless cordless 5 inch pruning saw, tool only, $54.99, 21% off. As I mentioned before, I got the cordless 10 inch Bauer saw and really like that. It helps me with stuff around my property, works out great. This could be a good pickup if you're looking for something smaller. Next we got a Thunderbolt Magnum AA 24 pack of batteries for $5.99, save 33% off. Then we got the same deal on the Thunderbolt Triple A's, $5.99, 33% off. Then we're going to move over here to Pittsburgh 7 inch wire strippers with cutters, $2.99, saving 50% off. And that is going to be probably a lifetime tool on that. So if you break it, lifetime replacement, gotta love that. Hallmaster wheel chalk with an eyelet. That's nice, so you can tie two of them together, and when you're done, you can just grab the cord or the rope and pull them both out of the way. You're looking at $11.99, saving 14% on that. Then we got the U.S. General 15 slot wrench organizer, 2-piece, $99, getting ahead of myself there. $9.99 with a 23% off, not a bad deal on that. Next up we got a Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $19.99, looking at 33% off on that. This is a good deal on a tool bag here, Voyager 15 inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $6.99, saving you 22% off on that. Next up we got the Disposables here, and this is where I like picking these up. Detail brush set 6-piece for $2.49, save 16% off. Next up we got the Merlin 3/8 inch 25 foot rubber hose. This has got the 1/4 inch NPT fittings on it. You're looking at $11.99, saving 25% off on that. Next up we got an Armstrong 17 to 42 inch swivel tilt TV wall mount for $9.99, saving 33% off. Not a bad deal on a TV wall mount. Then we got some Vulcan Defender professional TIG welding gloves, $9.99, saving 23% off. Not a bad deal on some welding gloves. Then we got a Merlin kit. This is what I would recommend if you need to get a kit for your air compressor. This is a pretty complete kit right here at a great price. You're looking at 20-piece assortment here, $19.99, saving 13%. Even though it's only 13% off, and I'd like to see 15% or higher, still not a bad deal for everything you're getting on that. Next up, we got a favorite of some people, the Harbor Freight 55 pound 19 gallon Double XL bag, this is only 79 cents, saving 20%. Now we got a Pittsburgh 8-inch needle nose pliers, and these will have a lifetime replacement on these. Not a bad deal at all for $2.99, saving 25% off on it. Not a bad deal if you're looking for a stocking stuffer right there. Next up, we got the Bauer multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade set 4-piece, $12.99, saving 31% off. Then we got the Jupiter Pure 2,000 watt continuous 4,000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter. Sorry, I'm not used to doing power inverters, don't know much about them, so forgive me for that. $219.99, save $50. Then we got a Central Pneumatic 20 ounce HVLP gravity fed spray gun with a 1.4 millimeter nozzle. That's going to be $22.99, and you're saving 8% on that one. Hallmaster, and we got a lot of 3s here. 3,333 pound capacity, 24 inch by 2 inch axle strap with D-rings, $5.99, saving 33% off. Not bad at all if you guys are hauling cars around. Then we got a HFT 11 foot by 4 inch by 15 foot 6 inch camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5 mil tarp. This would be maybe a good one for some survival situations. $14.99, 34% off. Then we got the Hallmaster 833 pound capacity 2 inch by 20 foot ratcheting type. Great deal right here. $8.99, 40% off. That's a great deal right there. Next up is what is a hot new item here, it seems like of late. This is the Quinn half-inch drive low profile impact socket set for $34.99, only saving 12% off, but it seems like a lot of people are really wanting these low profile sockets. I have yet to get my hands on any. I'm talking to a couple of tool companies right now. If I don't get any from them, I might go and pick this set up here in the future. Pittsburgh nylon pry bar installer kit 4-piece for $5.49, saving 30% off. That's a good deal right there. And then we got the Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bins. These come in very handy for nuts, bolts, thumbtacks, anything like that. And they got a great deal going on right now, $1.99, saving 33%. Now we got some from Hercules here on sale. We got a 4-inch to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud, $29.99 for 25% off. Must be something popular. My store's actually out of it. Now we got a Jupiter 120 watt continuous 240 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $16.99, saving 32% off. Next up, we got a great deal here on a soldering iron. We got a Chicago Electric 300 watt lightweight soldering iron for $2.99, save 50% on that. That is a great deal right there. Then we got a Drill Master, only saving 10%. I'm passing that. That sucks. Thunderbolt D battery 6-pack here for $5.99, saving 33% off. Good for all the toys again for the holidays. Then we got a Warrior 7-amp 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander, $24.99, save 28% off on that. Now on to page 2, we got a Hallmaster E-Track tie-down anchor for $4.99. That's 28% off. Then we got a Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp. These come in handy for a lot of things that you're working with. Nice to have a couple of these around. 99 cents also, 23% off. Not a bad deal at all on that. Merlin dual head air chuck inflator with a dial gauge. I might have to go pick this up. I need something like this. $11.99, 20% off. And then here we go with the disposables again. But $8.99, 10% off. 5-inch hook and loop. Could do better than 10% off. We're going to just bypass that here real quick. Now we got the Thunderbolt C batteries 6-pack for $5.99, 25% off. Merlin 1/4 inch by 50 foot lay flat air hose. 1/4 inch MPT fittings on this one also. $24.99, saving 16% off. Now we got the 9-volt 4-pack batteries from Thunderbolt. $5.99, 25% off. Now we're going to move over to the Hardy gloves. This one is only saving 20% at $3.99. We got some reciprocating saw blades, but they're only 11% off, so we're going to skip that. Chicago Electric 6 1/4 inch multi-purpose magnetic holder, $2.69, save 40% off. That's a good deal on those. And then we got more Thunderbolt batteries. This is a popular one too. The CR2032 lithium button cell battery. 4-pack for $1.99, 50% off. That's a good deal, and that's a common battery. A lot of things take it. Then we're going to move to Western Safety impact resistant safety glasses. $1.99. How can you pass that up to save your eyeballs? Saving 33% off. Now we got the white or black here. Mask 2-pack, black or white, as I said. 99 cents. Not a bad deal at all. Saving 37% off. Then we're going to move over to a Quinn. We got some Quinn on here. Very nice. Quinn 3/4 inch drive impact socket adapter and extension set. 5-piece. And this, I think, is going to have a lifetime replacement on those. It's going to be $24.99. Save 37% off on that. Then we got the General Mini Steel Toolboxes. Red on this one. They got 6 different colors, and I can guarantee you for the $14.99, save 21% off. Those are probably just going to be the old colors. They're probably not going to be the new ones. Let's click on this and see if it does show them. Just to see on here. Oh, they do got all the colors on here. Let's click on them and see. We got green. See if that price changed at all. Ah, that's what I thought. Yep, the new colors are going to be $18.99. I figured that was going to be the deal on that. Let's go back to where we were. Alright, now that we move down to the next row, we can see the black and the blue. They're all going to be the $14.99, save 21% off. Now we got the Grant's microfiber towels here, the 12-pack. They're going to be $7.99, save 20%. $1.49, which ain't a bad deal for 25% off. This was actually a freebie for a free gift a week or two ago. Then we got the Syntec 6 12-volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead, $2.99, saving 25% off. Then we got something from Pittsburgh. Actually, we got the Pittsburgh Pro. All right. 3/8 inch drive, high visibility socket set, $6.99, and you're saving 36% off. And then it looks like last on our list right here is going to be the US General 25-pound magnetic hook, $4.99, save 30% off. That looks like some of the colors are out of stock at my store. This is a very popular item. Well, there you go. There are the sales. If you guys didn't know in the beginning, like I said, this is kind of a disappointment. Harbor Freight, really. This is getting really old if you guys just changing the sales name and it being the same sale. Come up with something new. People are excited to see if there's something that they've been wanting to get on sale, and then you guys just repeat it. Pretty pathetic if you ask me, and it's getting quite annoying that they're doing it. Leave a comment down below on what you think of the sales lately. Some of them have been really good, and other ones are like, you know, they're the same sale, just renamed. Really not impressed with it. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.